Finding the central idea. Welcome to Lecture 2. Today you will learn how to identify the central idea of a passage. The central idea is the most important point the author wants you to understand. On the SAT, you may see a question that asks, which choice best states the main idea of the text? Or, which choice best states the central idea of the passage? To answer these questions, use a simple three-step method. Step 1. Identify the topic. Ask yourself, what is this passage about? The topic may be a person, an event, an animal, a scientific discovery, or an idea. Step 2. Identify what the author is saying about the topic. Ask yourself, what does the author want me to understand about this topic? Step 3. Choose the answer that covers the whole passage. Do not choose an answer that describes only one small detail. Now let us look at a sample question. Marine biologists once believed that octopuses were mostly solitary animals that avoided interaction with other octopuses. However, recent observations of octopuses living near the coast of Australia have challenged this belief. Researchers observed the animals gathering in the same area, communicating through changes in skin color and sometimes working together to defend shelters. These observations suggest that octopus social behavior may be more complex than scientists previously thought. Which choice best states the central idea of the text? Answer choice A. Octopuses change their skin color when they are near the coast of Australia. Answer choice B. Scientists have discovered that some octopuses may display more social behavior than was previously believed. Answer choice C. Most marine animals work together to protect their shelters. Answer choice D. Scientists still do not understand why octopuses prefer to live alone. Pause for a moment and choose your answer. The correct answer is answer choice B. Scientists have discovered that some octopuses may display more social behavior than was previously believed. Let us solve the question step by step. First, identify the topic. The passage is about octopus social behavior. Second, identify what the author is saying about the topic. Scientists once believed that octopuses were mostly solitary. New observations show that some octopuses gather together, communicate, and cooperate. The author wants us to understand that octopuses may be more social than scientists previously believed. Third, choose the answer that covers the whole passage. Answer choice B matches the main point of the passage. Now let us examine the incorrect answers. Answer choice A mentions skin color. This detail appears in the passage, but it is not the main idea. It is too narrow. Answer choice C discusses most marine animals. The passage only discusses octopuses. This answer is too broad. Answer choice D says that octopuses prefer to live alone. This contradicts the passage. The passage explains that some octopuses may be more social than scientists once believed. Here is a useful technique. After reading a passage, complete this sentence. The author mainly wants me to understand that. Then explain the passage in your own words. For this passage, you could say, the author mainly wants me to understand that octopuses may be more social than scientists previously believed. That sentence leads directly to answer choice B. Now let us try another question. For many years, historians assumed that an ancient trade route through Central Asia was used mainly to transport luxury goods such as silk and precious metals. Recent archaeological discoveries, however, have uncovered farming tools, ordinary cooking containers, and inexpensive clothing along the route. These findings indicate that the route may also have supported the daily lives of ordinary communities. Which choice best states the central idea of the text? Answer choice A. Archaeologists have found precious metals along an ancient trade route. Answer choice B. Ordinary communities in Central Asia produce expensive silk clothing. Answer choice C. New evidence suggests that an ancient trade route served everyday communities as well as the luxury goods trade. Answer choice D. Historians have proven that ancient trade routes were used only by wealthy travelers. Pause for a moment and choose your answer. The correct answer is answer choice C. New evidence suggests that an ancient trade route served everyday communities as well as the luxury goods trade. The topic is an ancient trade route. The author explains that historians once believed the route was mainly used for luxury goods. New evidence shows that it also supported ordinary communities. Answer choice C includes both the old belief and the new discovery. Answer choice A is too narrow. Answer choice B is not supported by the passage. Answer choice D contradicts the passage. On test day, remember this process. First, identify the topic. Second, decide what the author is saying about the topic. Third, explain the main point in your own words. Fourth, eliminate answers that are too broad, too narrow, unsupported, or opposite to the passage. Finally, choose the answer that best summarizes the whole passage. The key idea from this lecture is simple. The topic plus the author's main point equals the central idea. Do not choose an answer just because it contains information from the passage. Choose the answer that explains the main message of the entire passage. That completes Lecture 2.